Hi everyone, good evening. Today I'm going to show you a very yummy a recipe. It's called red braised chicken wings. So I have a plate of chicken wings. So I have basically cut some of those, but I still save the four to show you. And also a piece of ginger. And then we'll need a soy sauce and also brown braising soy sauce and then rock sugar. Basically then that's it. So let me just show you a first one. I have a chicken wing. For one side I basically cut three times, 1 2 3, and on the other side I cut three times as well. So how do I do it? Pick a chicken wing and then 1 2 3, and on the other side 1 2 3. The reason is I want to let it have should say the flavor goes in the chicken wings as well. And also I added in some water in the pan, and then now I'm going to warm up those water, so ready to use. 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3, and then 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, I think I basically cut every one. So, for example, it looks like this, just to show you one more time. And then I will chop the ginger quickly. This is the one I'm going to use in the, when I let it go through the warm water. So I don't need to cut it a super, in a super pretty shape. So I will save some for the chicken wings. So cut it into the pieces first, and then cut it into slices. Okay. Okay. So because for this dish, I will just try to make it simple. So I would not use other ingredients, make it complicated. So I just want to use simply ginger plus chicken wings as well. So okay. So now as the water is going to boil very soon, I'm going to add half teaspoon of the pink salt. So basically to add a flavor for the chicken wings before you use it. And then I'm going to drop in the ginger. At the same time, I'm going to put the chicken wings in the boiling water. Okay. So right now I'm going to rinse this plate quickly to use later. And then I'm going to be ready. So I'm going to give a little bit more time, because since the chicken wings, they are raw. Okay. So I'm going to, that's how does it look in my pan now. So I'm going to give about 30-40 seconds more before I take those out. The reason to go through the warm water is basically, we want the chicken wing to be a super clean. We remove the blood water, the blood from the chicken wing, things like that. At the same time, I'm going to basically turn on the gas, and then start to warm up another pan. Okay, well, the chicken wing is cooking. What I'm going to use the cast iron pan today. So you see, I have you can use the crystal a rock sugar. I have a brown sugar, rock sugar at home today. So I'm going to have 1/4 cup of the rock sugar. So I'm going to drop it in my pan. Okay, I will let it like start to melt. And also before doing that, I didn't, have a chance to break the rock sugar into like small pieces. So let's see. Let's give a little bit of time. Okay. But right now I still have little time, so I'm going to just use my like a, how do I say, the other side of the knife. Just help a little bit because it is really a big piece. Okay. I will let it melt, and at the same time I will check the chicken wings. Okay, they look pretty good. So I'm going to take those out, and then I'm going to just drain it and also wash it like to make it like a clean and ready to use. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take those out and also remove those ginger. So basically go ahead and use my hand. Okay. And then the rock sugar is still like in process to be melted. So let me just take a look. That's how does it look now? Like let me just add the top on it to, gather the heat a little bit more. Okay. It is melting now, so later I'm going to show you. Okay. I'm going to move it like a little bit. Okay. And add the top, and then just wait a little bit. I want the rock sugar like to melt. Okay. You can see, they are melting now, and then the color is changing like quickly. Okay, I still give a little bit of time. And now, at the same time, I'm going to drop in like a half-quarter cup of the oil on the other side. And then I'm going to drop in like the ginger I just chopped. And also drop it in. That's basically how does it look in the pan now. And also, like now, I'm going to drop in like my chicken wings, and slowly. So I'm going to add on the top quickly, because there's next time I will remember to use paper towel to drain like all the chicken wings, so it will not like like what happened just now, like the water starting to like split everywhere. That's sometimes I say cooking is pretty dangerous, but we need to be careful. Yeah. Okay. So. What we want to see right now is, one side of the chicken wings to become like a golden, like a brown, and then we'll turn it to the other side. So let me take a quick tip. Okay. So that's how that the one side look is pretty. So I'm going to turn it to the other side. Just to show you one more time, so this side is really like a, golden brown now. So I'm going to give like another, once the other side, another like 1 minute, and then I will add in like other ingredients. For example, like a soy sauce, I use this one, brown braising, like a sauce, to add a beautiful color as well. So we'll need salt, okay? And then I will need I will add like a bowl of like a warm water as well. So I'm going to prepare, have it ready. So, and then, let's do like a half first. Okay. So let me take a look. Let's see, like the other side is golden brown as well. So now I'm going to add like more flavor. So I'm going to give 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. And this one, I'm going to give like 2 tablespoons. Okay. So we want it to have like a nice color. Okay. While it is cooking, so I'm going to turn it to the other side as well. Okay. After you add in like the brown braising oil, definitely the color is getting darker. Look, I almost burn my hands. Okay, so be careful. So now I have like a half bowl of the warm water. I'm going to spread it. And then, okay, I'm going to give like half. Because we have the soy sauce, we have the 2 tablespoons of the brown braising soy sauce. I just don't want to make it super salty, yeah. Because those have sodium already. Okay. So now I'm going to put it on the top, and while you are waiting, it is cooking. So just be like a patient. Now I'm going to turn my gas to be like a small. I'm just going to give it like a 15 minutes, because it's not only about the quick. So we want it to be like a very tender and easy to eat, and the meat will maybe come off like easily. So I will circle back in 15 minutes. Hi everyone, after 15 minutes, so I have taken out like the chicken wings. That's how does it look. It's very pretty, isn't it? So let's start. I think there are two options. You can add a little bit like green onions on top. Oh, there's another way. Is I have some the white sesame, so you can spread like on top of it. So let's do it. Ta-da! What do you think? Have you had something like this before? Welcome to share your comment with me. And other than that, like and subscribe. Thank you.